Welcome to Artlook Maryland. We know that access to arts education is inequitable in the state of Maryland. Ames's Artlook Maryland is a tool working to drive connections and close access gaps. In this video, I'll give you a short overview of Artlook Maryland and highlight some of its key features to guide you through your journey into Maryland's arts education ecosystem. This is the homepage. The primary features on this page are the filters, search bar, a school and partner portal logins, and a link that connects you directly to the Ames website. If you are a school arts liaison or an arts partner and you want to access your own private profile, you can click here or here to log in. When you're ready to start exploring the map, you can either use these advanced filters or type a keyword into the search bar. To jump right to the map view, you can always just click search. Now, Artlook Maryland features two main categories of data: information about arts partners and information about participating public schools. Let's start with schools. You can start searching by utilizing these advanced filters at the top. These filters are the best and most efficient way to navigate the platform. You can search schools by instructors teaching, school type, programs offered, courses offered, student demographics, and school district. You can also search by discipline interests and resource and program interests. These last two categories have been identified by representatives from individual schools and indicate areas in which schools are looking for specific arts programming or resources. If you're searching by arts partner, you can use these advanced filters to search by partner disciplines, number of school partners, program types, program disciplines, and grades served. Now, currently, Artlook Maryland only shows 30 search results at a time. We are actively working with our partners and developers to create a map clustering feature in the future so that we can have a more comprehensive visual picture of search results. But for now, make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom to find the rest of the results that you are looking for. And because Artlook Maryland is statewide, when you first start exploring by schools, it can be really helpful to narrow down your search result by district. You can always add additional filters to your search or clear all filters and start from scratch. You can also export your search results. This will download an Excel file containing relevant details and contact information straight to your computer to help you connect with arts resources. Now that we're more familiar with the platform and all of these advanced filters, we're ready to start exploring and seeing the stories that Artlook has to tell. Now, I'm going to imagine that I am an arts partner or interested community member looking to connect with schools and learn more about the arts programming that those schools have to offer. First, since you're searching for a school, make sure you're switched to the Schools tab. From here, you can use filters to customize your search. Now, let's say you are an arts partner looking to connect with a school in Baltimore City. And maybe you are particularly interested in serving a school that has a high percentage of low-income students. You can go to the Student Demographics tab, select your desired filter, and narrow your search from there. Right now, we have a total of 88 matches. If you are an arts partner specializing in dance, for example, from here, you could filter by discipline interest and see schools that have indicated that they are particularly interested in having more dance programs offered at their schools. If you're ready to start connecting, you can export this list of schools with all the relevant contact information, and you can save that list directly to your computer. Or if you want to learn a little bit more about the schools, you can open their profile page. Here, you'll find general information about the school, contact information for a school representative, a data dashboard, information about the types of arts programs and resources that this school is interested in receiving, the number of arts instructors at the school's current program offerings, detailed information about the arts courses at this school, including average minutes per week of instruction, and finally, a list of all of the arts partners that this school is working with. Now, with all this information and the relevant contact details, you're ready to start connecting. Now I'm going to imagine that I am a teacher, a parent or family member, or interested community member looking to connect with arts partners and resources. First, since you're searching for an arts partner, make sure you're switched to the Partners tab. From here, you can use the filters to refine your search. Now, let's say you are a teacher looking to bring a dance program to your school. You could go to Partner Discipline and select Dance. You'll see a list of all the arts partners currently offering dance programs to students in your area. This search has generated a total of 54 matches, so maybe you want to narrow it down a little bit more. Let's say you are particularly interested in finding an arts partner that can serve first, second, and third graders. Now we have a total of 13 matches, which is a little more manageable. If you're ready to start connecting, you can export this list of arts partners, again, with all the relevant contact information, and you can save that directly to your computer. Another option is to reach out to these arts partners directly by clicking the Contact Partner button. This will automatically generate an email to the contact person for that organization. Or if you want to first learn a little bit more about these arts partners, you can open their profile page. On this details page, you'll find contact information and information about this organization, a link to their website, a general summary of all of their offerings, a list of their school partners, and descriptions for all of their programs. You can also download a partner report, which will show you a PDF file that summarizes this organization's details, program offerings, scope of impact, and students reached by demographic. Now, with all this information and all the contact details, you're ready to start connecting. The topics included in this demo video are just some examples of the many ways members of our community can interact with and utilize this platform. If you have any questions or just want to learn a little bit more, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. My email is artlookmd@ames-edu.org.